everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into the world of small deck gardens. But what exactly does that mean? Simply put, a small deck garden is a curated outdoor living space built on a wooden or composite platform that utilizes clever design to incorporate greenery within a limited footprint. Unlike a sprawling backyard, a small deck garden is all about intentionality. It is an extension of your indoor living room, brought outside and softened by the presence of plants, flowers, and natural textures. Whether it's a tiny apartment balcony or a modest platform in a suburban backyard, a small deck garden is your personal slice of nature where every square inch is designed for beauty and relaxation. The benefits of establishing a small deck garden go far beyond mere aesthetics. First and foremost, these spaces act as a mental health sanctuary, providing a private area to decompress and reconnect with the outdoors without the high maintenance of a large lawn. Because the area is elevated and often attached to the home, it stays cleaner and is more accessible than a traditional garden bed. Additionally, a well-designed deck garden can significantly increase your home's property value and usable square footage. It also offers a controlled environment for gardening. Because you are likely using containers, you have total control over soil quality and can easily move plants to follow the sun or protect them from harsh weather, making it the perfect entry point for beginner gardeners. Decorating a small deck requires a balance between functionality and flair. To make the space look beautiful and feel larger, start by defining zones using outdoor rugs with bold patterns or natural fibers. Verticality is your best friend in a compact space. Use wall-mounted planters, trellises, or tiered shelving to draw the eye upward and keep the floor clear for movement. Lighting plays a crucial role in the wow factor, so consider stringing Edison bulbs overhead or placing solar-powered LED lanterns in the corners to create a warm, inviting glow after sunset. Choose furniture that is visually light. Think bistro sets with thin metal frames or built-in wooden benches that blend into the deck's architecture, to ensure the space feels airy rather than cluttered. Finally, stick to a cohesive color palette for your cushions and pots to create a professional, designer-finished look. Selecting the right plants is the secret sauce for a thriving deck garden. Since space is at a premium, look for compact or dwarf varieties that won't outgrow their containers too quickly. For a lush, tropical feel, ornamental grasses and hostas provide excellent texture and volume. If you want a pop of color, petunias, geraniums, and begonias are classic choices that thrive in pots and bloom throughout the season. Herbs like rosemary, basil, and mint are fantastic additions because they are fragrant, beautiful, and functional for your kitchen. For those with vertical structures, climbing plants like clematis or star jasmine provide a stunning living wall effect. Always consider the sunlight levels your deck receives. Succulents and lavender are perfect for sun-drenched spots, while ferns and caladiums will be much happier in the shade. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best small deck garden ideas to spark your creativity. One, the multi-level sunken oasis. This design utilizes a sunken seating area built directly into the rich, polished wood decking. By lowering the seating, the surrounding planters filled with vibrant purple flowers and lush greenery feel like a protective hedge, creating an intimate room effect that maximizes the vertical layers of a small footprint. 2. Modern minimalist privacy retreat. In this setup, a dark wood horizontal slat fence provides ultimate privacy while serving as a sleek backdrop for large, white egg-shaped planters. The combination of structural succulents and a low-profile L-shaped wooden bench makes this small concrete and wood deck feel like a high-end urban lounge. 3. The tiered harvest deck. Perfect for the suburban home, this multi-level deck integrates large built-in planter boxes filled with edible greens and cabbage. The use of light-colored wood and black metal railings provides a clean, modern aesthetic that turns a functional vegetable garden into a stunning architectural feature. For the entertainment wraparound, this design focuses on flow, featuring a wraparound deck with distinct areas for grilling and dining. By using dark mulch borders and neatly trimmed boxwood shrubs around the base, the deck feels grounded and integrated into the landscape, proving that even a narrow deck can handle a full dinner party. 5. Vibrant container color burst. This idea focuses on the power of the thriller, filler, and spiller technique. By using various heights of stands and heavy-duty pots, this deck is transformed into a kaleidoscope of colors featuring deep purple petunias and lime green sweet potato vines, creating a lush wall of color against a simple wooden fence. 6. The woodland staircase garden. Ideal for sloped yards, this design uses wide wooden steps that double as display platforms for greenery. Large, soft mounds of shrubs and spiky orange flowers spill over the edges of the light gray wood, softening the hard lines and making the transition from house to yard feel like a walk through a botanical garden. 7. The pergola cozy nook. This design features a cantilevered wooden pergola that adds architectural interest without needing bulky support posts. A small wooden bench and matching storage trunk are nestled against a lattice screen, surrounded by raised garden beds that bring the flowers up to eye level for a truly immersive experience. 8. The luminescent modern step-up. Lighting is the star here, with LED strip lights tucked under the lip of the deck stairs and seating. This creates a floating effect that is both safe and incredibly stylish. The cool blue walls contrast beautifully with the warm glow, highlighting the architectural plants and sleek gray decking. 9. The railing flower gallery. Maximize every inch by utilizing the perimeter. This deck uses the top of the railings and the floor space below to host a massive collection of potted flowers. By keeping the pots uniform in style but varying the plant colors, the deck feels like a vibrant gallery that doesn't sacrifice any walking space. 10. The grand multi-level platform. Even for smaller homes, a multi-level deck can create a sense of grandeur. This design features a raised dining platform and a lower lounging area, all enclosed by elegant black railings. The vertical wooden skirting hides the underside of the deck, giving it a solid, permanent look that blends perfectly with the green lawn. Creating a small deck garden is one of the most rewarding home improvement projects you can undertake. It is a space that grows with you, changing through the seasons and providing a constant source of joy and tranquility. No matter the size of your deck, with a little bit of creativity and the right plant choices, you can create a stunning outdoor retreat that reflects your personal style. We hope these ideas have inspired you to look at your outdoor space with fresh eyes and a green thumb. If you enjoyed this tour of small deck garden ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your garden projects. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a transformation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.